This is a Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue bound F local train. The next stop is 7th Avenue.
Leo always takes the train, yeah. Leo always takes the train, yeah.
Hey, here they the fucking day. So spread the word from the Bronx to Bombay. It's not Yom Kippur, not Kwanzaa either. We're gonna celebrate a man greater than Julius Caesar. Leo Erickson just got another year older. You can't mess with my man because he's harder than a boulder.
Leo always takes the train.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Leo always takes the train, yeah.
It's his 21st birthday and I know what he wants. It's not a gold watch and it's not a croissant. Now you can keep that shit. Leo's mad selective, so listen up and listen good while I share his perspective. Don't wanna take no car, don't matter how far. Need to go to LA, he'll take the train all the way.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are delayed because of train traffic ahead of us. We apologize for any inconvenience.
How about across the Atlantic? Leo's chill, don't need to panic. Ask your mom, your uncle, go ahead and ask your daughter. My man will lay the tracks over the motherfucking water. Yeah. Don't ask him twice, the answer won't be nice. He sits his ass down on a train and he's in paradise. He'll take the train. It's Leo's birthday. Why you bugging? Oh, you calling an Uber? Yeah, no thanks. Taxi? No, we good. Unicycle, skateboard, scooter, rollerblades. Nah, son. Mr. Erickson respectfully declines. I take the train every time. Come on, it's lit. Off the rails, 24 and 7, 365. Day, night, inclement weather, corona, swine flu, Ebola, fuck it. Leo always be riding a train. What train? Whatsoever train you may like, son. If it's a train, taking it. He takes the tube in London, the metro in Paris, the T in Boston.